Alright, I'm going to tie Perdigon fly today with the glow green tinsel. Okay, I'm gonna use barbless jig hook size 16 and tungsten beads slotted size 764. So hook and beads on the device already. And for the weight, I'm going to use lead-free wire. Okay. For the the gold bead, I'm going to wrap 8 times. For the silver, I wrap 4 times. But this is a very heavy one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to cut with my fingernails. It's that soft. Okay, right there. Okay, today. Okay, also the thread, I'm going to use a fluorescent orange, 70 denier. I'm going to tie from here to fix that first, and then go to front, go to the bead. And then cut up right here. And for the tailing material, turkey feather. I'm going to use a turkey feather. I'm going to use about 5, 6. And cut off the excess. For the tailing material, you can use pheasant tail or the nice tail as well. But we provided you the turkey feather last time, so you can use it today. Make a nice taper. And one time under, so it's a nice spread out. And this is a glow green tinsel. I'm gonna wrap the body with this. Here I do a half hitch, and then I have a homemade tool here, so just took the thread out of the way. and wrap this glow tinsel about half overlapping to the behind the bead. Take your time to cover all the body. It's okay not covering everything, but the majority of the tinsel is covered. And I get this out of the way. Tie up there. Cut it. Also, this fluorescent orange make a good taper right up there. And then we finish. And cut it. Also, you can make a wing case with the Sharpie. So you have two different versions. One with the wing case, one without the wing case. I named Glow Green Perdigon. If I glue this, see, it's glow. So this is our own Glow Green Perdigon.